Tafliad i'r dre newydd. Stewart Jones yn ei hennill yn yr awyr. Venables ar y dde. Chwilio am Robles. Bel yn rhydd. O, tacl arbennig gan Williams. Cyn bellad a Burke yn sylwi ar Robles. O, heibio'r postyn. Yn agos i roi'r bala ar y blaen. Efallai dylsa fo fod wedi gwneud y well. O leia gwneud i Dave Jones wneud arbediad. Williams, Sheridan. Denny. McAllister sy'n ei derbyn i chwipio'r groesiad i fewn a Kenton! Heibio'r postyn pella. Croesiad bwerus gan McAllister. A Kenton mor agos. Good goal gan Ashley Morris. Denny yn uwch na Mendes. Mewn rhydd, McAllister i Rushton. McAllister yn ôl i Mitchell. Mitchell y bas na'n cweith gystal i Sheridan. O, Sheridan yn ergydio! Ond ymdrech cyn chwaraewr y bala'n rhy uchel. Y dau amddiffynwr bala yn mynd yn erbyn ei gilydd, ond Stewart Jones sydd ar bêl. Pasio ei droed chwith at Venables mae'n mynd. Venables i'r Cwrt Cosbyn troi Sam Barnes unwaith ac yn ei droi o'r eildro. A dyna chi arbediad gan Dave Jones. O, mi nath Chris Venables ffwl o Sam Barnes, nid unwaith, ond dwywaith. O, mi oedd Dave Jones yn hollol effro i arbed yr ergyd. Mendes i Burke. O'r tro cynta'r Bas Lithouse at Molyneux. Cyfle i Molyneux. O'r ergyd yn siomedig yn y diwadd gan yr eilydd. Jones ar gic. Mitchell o'r cyffyrddiad i George Harry! O, gyda 6 munud i fynd! A di'r dre newydd wedi cipio'r triphwynt! Neb yn clirio'r gic gol gan Dave Jones. Dwn i'm os mae cyffyrddiad. Ta trio rheoli'r bêl oedd Mitchell, ond mi sgynnodd hi'n daclus i George Harry. Ac mae yna ddrama hwyr yma yn y dre newydd.
Really pleased. We had to ground it out today. We were resolute. I thought, bar one save in the first half, I don't think my goalkeepers had a great deal to do. We've had some half-decent chances in the first half, and look, you know, when you make substitutes, you know, you hope they come off, and you know, George has come on with the other two subs, with Thumper and Jack, and made a real impression on the game, and that's important. You know, it's important going forward. But you know, look, it's a really important win because we're up against a really good team with a really good manager, experienced manager, and you know, they've been scoring goals for fun. They beat TNS. You know, to keep them to 0. You know, I thought my defensive performance was really good. The team, excellent, and you know, you've got to do that. You've got to head balls. You've got to clear your lines properly. And we've done that today, and you know, it's an important and good 3 points for us.
Didn't do really well today, but I thought we were a lot better than them in all departments. But the game is about scoring your chances in that goal and stopping them in that goal, and that's what we didn't do. And we got sucker punched and you know, lacked a bit of quality in the final third, but you know, did enough and should have won it easily.